Welcome to LingoShift, the podcast for learning Japanese on the go. Today, we will learn how to give directions to a taxi driver. First, to tell the driver your destination, you use the pattern destination made onegai shimasu. Let's practice that key phrase. The phrase is made onegai shimasu. I will say it first. Made onegai shimasu. Now, your turn to say it. Made onegai shimasu. Let's say it one last time together. Made onegai shimasu. Let's use this in a full sentence. The sentence isくうこうまでお願いします. This means, to the airport, please. Listen again. 空港までお願いします. Now you say the sentence. 空港までお願いします. Next, let's learn the verb to turn. The word is 曲がります. The te form is 曲がって. So, please turn is 曲がってください. The direction you turn, like right or left, is marked with the particle he. Let's learn the word for traffic light. The word is 信号. Let's practice a direction. The sentence is あの信号を右へ曲がってください. This means, please turn right at that traffic light. Listen again to the sentence. あの信号を右へ曲がってください. Now you say the sentence. あの信号を右へ曲がってください. Now, it is time for a quick quiz. First quiz question. You are in a taxi and want to go to the station. What do you say? Take a moment to think. The answer is 駅までお願いします. Second quiz question. The word for corner is 角. How do you say, please turn left at the corner? Think about it. The answer is 角を左へ曲がってください. Excellent. Let's review two other important directions. Please go straight is まっすぐ行ってください. Please stop is とめてください. Finally, the word for the change you receive after paying is お釣り. Let's practice a sentence. The sentence is 2000円のお釣りです. This means, here is 2,000 yen in change. Listen again. 2000円のお釣りです. Now you say the sentence. 2000円のお釣りです. Now let's practice a full, original conversation with a taxi driver.
すみません。ホテルまでお願いします。
はい、わかりました。
デパートの前をまっすぐ行ってください。
まっすぐですね。
そして次の信号を左へ曲がってください。
はい。
銀行の前で止めてください。
はい。3世年です。
5世年でお願いします。
はい。2世年のお釣りです。ありがとうございました。
Now for our final quiz. First question. You are in a taxi. You want the driver to stop in front of the post office. How do you say this? Take a moment to think. The answer is 郵便局の前で止めてください. Second question. The driver has told you the fare. You are paying with a larger bill and want to say, with this, please. This is a way to indicate you will need change. How do you say this? Think about it carefully. The answer is これでお願いします. You have completed today's practice session. You can now confidently give directions and handle a full conversation in a taxi. Thanks for learning with LingoShift.
LingoShift.